In example 4, we're going to write the equation of a line that is parallel to this line and passes through the point 3, -4. First thing that we have to note is that it's parallel, because parallel tells us that the slopes of our new line and this line have to be exactly the same. Since this line is in slope-intercept form, meaning y is by itself, I know the slope of this line is -3. So I'm going to use a slope of -3 for my new line. Because they're parallel, those slopes have to be the same. I don't care about this y-intercept, and I'm going to cross that out so I'm not tempted to use it. I need to find the y-intercept of my new line, meaning it's going to be a different y-intercept than the original line we have. But if it's parallel to this line and it passes through this point, think about what we did in the day 2 notes. We can take this point and this slope and find the y-intercept of that parallel line. So I'm going to bring that point down here. We're taking the point 3, -4, and again, that came from here. And I'm going to use that same process I was using. I'm going to plug -4 in for my y. I'm going to plug -3 in for m. I'm going to plug 3 in for x, and I'm solving for b. -3 times 3 is -9, so I get -4 equal to -9 plus b. Then I can add 9 to both sides, and I get b is equal to 5. So then I can write my equation of my line. My answer is going to be y equals -3 times x plus 5. Remember, my y-intercept was 5, which is going in for the b. My slope I found to be -3 went in here. Always make sure that the line you started with and the line you end with are different lines. They should be parallel, meaning the slopes are the same, but the y-intercepts are different. If you have questions on this, let me know. Otherwise, I want you to go and do one just very similar to that in the try this right here. So go ahead and find that equation, pause your answer, and unpause it when you're ready to check. If you did the try this correctly, you should have gotten y equals -1/4 times x minus 1. If you need help with that, let me know.